Sit down na para hindi ka malagpot. Shih Tzu.
Mama kidnap you.
What else did you buy?
They have things to say. You make them be quiet all day long. Good morning, Philippines!
Here we are, Lord Altrincham. Colonel Charteris will be with you shortly.
Hi guys! Good morning! Again, good morning. Hala, almost 10 o'clock na. And before ako aalis, ibalik ko tong vacuum sa isang bahay kasi doon kasi yan galing. So yun, yung vacuum na yan. Roxy, why you running away? Are you afraid? Are you afraid of the vacuum? Hello?
Every day, more and more business owners
Hi.
are choosing.
Papakainin natin yung pusa before tayo alis. Ito dalhin to para sa aso. Yeah, kailangan sila may pagkain guys. So, yan iba-iba. So, yan. Ito yung kakainin nila kapag wala ako dito. Meron silang mga extra food. Hindi yan masisira guys. Kasi hanggang tonight, bukas, then they're good. So, yun. Pagkain nila. Matapos yan guys. Tignan natin bukas. Are you excited to see your dada? We're gonna go get dada, you know? Come right here. Huh? Good girl. How about you, Messi? It's your turn. Go, let's go to see dada.
I said full.
Why Netflix is playing? Ay, nako, Lord. Be in the house. Oh, last night, guys, the wind is so crazy. Luckily, our deer is still standing. The deer is still standing. Holy cow, the deer is still standing. Okay, I'm gonna get the meal. I will be right back. Okay, Rox? I'll get the meal. Okay? I'll be right back. Hold on. Stay put. It's freezing outside, guys. Grabe. Grabe yung ginaw. Oh my God. I think mag-snow. Hala. Nakalimutan ko na naman. Tammy will be making fun of me. You ready? You are ready. You are ready. Where are you? How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? You sit down, Rox. Sit down na para hindi ka malagpot. Sit down ba? Para hindi ka malagpot, Rox. Malagpot man dyan ka. I have to open one window. Hala, guys. It's really cold, guys. May nakita akong ice doon. Tubig na naging ice. Okay, guys. I will see you later. Kasi tayo sa drive. Mag-concentrate tayo itong drive na to. You have to sit down, Rox, para you won't go flying. I have to turn, Rox. Watch out, Rox. Roxy, watch out. Roxy, sit.
kidnap you?
Doctor,
Hey, girl.
Rox, Dada Rox talking to you.
Hey, big Roxy girl. What you doing, big girl?
Gonna see you, Dada. Like Roxy is whining. Once I open the door of the car and then I arrange the cover, she starts. She's excited to
You jump
go.
right in, right?
Yeah, she's excited to go.
That's good. Did you make sure the cats have enough food, enough water?
Too much food over there. Water, yes.
Full, you filled the thing back?
Yeah.
So you're stuck out of the snow. And you're supposed to get some snow for them. So, there you go. I'm telling you what I heard, so.
It's icy here. It's very cold. Like some water.
Yeah, be very careful. There's a lot of ice patches.
Yeah, some water. It's like sun. It's like shiny and in the highway it's not, but you know, in the road.
There'll be ice patches on the highway too. Don't kid yourself.
We're going to see him soon. Yeah, he'll be here very soon. Oh, he'll be here. We're gonna get there. We're gonna go get him soon. Allah. 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 Who's gonna go first? Who's going first? Yeah, it's your turn. Let's go see Dada. Come here. Come closer. Closer. Hi guys, I don't understand why I kind of read. I'm here with Dami Moyo. I'm Lubat too. I'm Lubat cha. I'm Lubat too.
Always go back.
Where are you going? Hi, honey. Where is honey? Here, honey.
Honey is in it. I just need to like drain the tea bag and stir it.
Oh, sorry. Cook it tomorrow.
So we'll get it tomorrow. This way we don't have to freeze it and unfreeze it.
Oh, look at this. He doesn't miss me, guys. He doesn't even call me last night. I woke up early in the morning. The first thing I did is check the... So, guys, namatay yung battery. So...
Well, you tell him I call you on the way home.
Look at that, guys.
I didn't call you when I got into bed.
He called me when... He said he called me when on the way home when he get out from work.
I did.
And
first thing you asked me, who you dropping something off?
yeah, because you drop somebody off all
Right.
the time.
When I tell you he don't work, he
And-
leaves early on something.
She, guys, it's not he.
Okay.
And then, guys, what happened was he doesn't call me early in the morning. I check on the phone because when I woke up, I said, "Oh, Tommy doesn't call me." It's like already like 4 o'clock in the morning. Still not call me. So the first thing I did is check the phone because he always told me, check your phone, check your phone. I called you, and he doesn't call me before going to bed because I want him to call me before bedtime. When did you buy it?
I bought it today.
Today?
Yeah.
So you went out shopping today?
Yeah. I bought the fish and I bought this.
What else did you buy?
What? Little turkeys. Little turkeys. But they're not ready to eat. You gotta cook them.
You
But
went
this
over
way,
there.
there's no salt. Lying by the door. Of course you are.
No, don't. It's done. I know for Tommy. She is something.
Drop it.
It's hard for them to jump because of the corner.
You used to jump up here all the time. To be a bad girl.
No, she's not allowed. She just do it because she
I know.
want to make a mess.
No, she used to do it to get upstairs.
Yeah, guys.
You remember when you were little?
Guys, when these dogs are very little,
No
this
matter
table
what I
here,
did, you would find a way to.
it's a lot of papers. Everything is gonna go down. Like everything is on the floor. Because Roxy put her body in the middle of the railing. Even though she get bigger, she get through, remember?
Yeah.
How did she?
Squeeze and squeeze.
Yeah, my God. And then Misty and Roxy get separated because Misty cannot do it. So Roxy's in the other side of the house.
And then when we came, she'd be going crazy trying to get back before we found out.
Yeah, because when we get back from his sister's house, because we always go, like, if, for example, we leave them over here.
We trapped them there going crazy trying to find a way to get back in the kitchen so we wouldn't know what she did.
Yeah, but we all know what she did because every papers in the table is down.
Yeah, but she could just sit there and do that. I don't know how that happens.
Yeah, but they both get punished. First, give Dada a kiss. Tell her. Point your face.
Kisses. Kisses. Kisses.
Look, she kissed you. She kissed you. She
Kisses.
kissed.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay, now you got it. Good girl.
I know.
Whatever.
Keep yapping.
She don't want you to talk. I let you talk. That's why you like talking.
This is the father and daughter, guys. It's craziness.
Because I let you talk. Your mother don't want you to have a voice.
They talk too much. It's two of them.
Yes, hon, they need to talk. They have things to say. You make them be quiet all day long. They like me around because then I get to talk.
No, they like you because of the food.
No, they like me because I get to let them talk.
And they talk a lot. I don't tell them to stop.
You always tell them to stop. Are you kidding?
No, guys, he really makes me a bad mother. He tells you I'm
You
not
always tell them to shut up. They're disturbing you.
No, it's not disturbing. There's no reason to bark. Oh,
They're talking.
now they're getting out, and that's it for you. Okay, you run after them.
They're out.
You're right. Si Tami, kinuha lang niya yung ina. So, magsa-shoutout ako. Merong magpapa-shoutout si Flor de la Pina. Hi, sis Flor. Thank you. From Manila, Quezon City daw siya. Si Ima Ambi Estelori Nilyoga. I think that's how. Rosita Valeriano. Kasaanak daw niyang si Maricela Valeriano. Happy birthday, Maricela Valeriano. January 7. Oh, danat. Belated happy birthday. Saka hi kay Melanie Marquez. At saka sa boyfriend daw niyang si Jonathan Barnes. Here sa Australia. Bonita and muy bien. And also kay It's Me Jess Dolores kayo sa hi po. And yun lang, guys. So salamat. So kinuha lang ni Tami yung ina niya and you did that. Oh, you did tell, oy. Punta tayo sa taas, guys. Natutulog si Tami. Tapos na akong nag-edit dalawang video. Yung TV sobrang lakas. Yung TV. Tami, open window. Time check, it is 4, almost 6 o'clock. It's 4:43 na ng gabi. And tapos ko lang ng mga videos. And nanonood din ako ng The Crown. Wala masyadong ganap, guys, kasi natutulog si Tami sa taas. Crying, I pretend I cried. And then she just come, I do like this, she come over here, she lick my eyes. She just keep laughing.
Because your mother can fool you every single time. What does that make you? Big old dope.
Ito yung kainin namin, guys. This Kirkland, Han?
No.
No? This looks good.
Marie calendar.
Looks good.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Okay guys, ito lang ta guys. I-end ko na to guys. So, I'm gonna end this vlog. And yeah, Tammy is watching the dog outside. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you all guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night guys. I really do appreciate. Bye bye. Good night.